Hola, ¿cómo estás? Bienvenidos. Let's jump straight back into our next important word. Thank you. Thank you in Spanish is gracias. Gracias. The C here is pronounced as TH as of English. Gracias. Gracias. In Latin America, this soft C is pronounced as S as of English. Gracias. Gracias. TH sound for Spain mainland, gracias, and S sound for Latin American countries, gracias. For Spain, gracias. For Latin America, gracias. For Spain, gracias. For Latin America. You can practice it few times to understand and take it in your head. So now imagine a situation. You are entering in a bar and first of all you will say, hola, hello, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? How are you? And the person will reply bien if he is good or she is good. Then he or she will say bien or muy bien, very good. Then you will ask for a beer. Suppose you want a beer. Then you will ask, quiero una cerveza. Beer is cerveza. Cerveza in Spain, cerveza in Latin America. So you will ask, quiero una cerveza. I want a beer. And if you get a beer, then you will say, gracias, thank you, or muchas gracias, thank you very much. So that's all for thank you in Spanish.